Unit 7. Do you have a pet?
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
Oh. What kind of pet do you have?
Can you guess?
Can I guess? Okay. Do you have a pet dog?
No, I do not have a pet dog.
Okay. You do not have a pet dog. Do you have a pet cat?
No, I do not have a pet cat.
Do not have a pet cat. Do you have a pet fish?
No, I do not have a pet fish.
You don't have a pet fish.
You cannot guess? Do you want me to tell you?
No, wait a minute. I'm thinking. Give me one more guess.
Okay, I'll give you one more guess.
I know. You have a pet monkey.
What? A pet monkey? Why would I have a pet monkey?
Because you look like a monkey.
I don't look like a monkey. You look like a monkey.
Okay, I cannot guess. What kind of pet do you have?
I have a pet iguana.
An iguana? How unusual. Where did you get it?
From the pet shop.
How long have you had it?
About 4 years.
Wow. What is your iguana's name?
His name is Winnie.
Winnie. What does Winnie do?
Winnie doesn't do very much. He's quite lazy.
Oh. What does Winnie eat?
Winnie's a vegetarian. Winnie eats vegetables.
That's quite interesting.
Unit 8. What kind of food do you like?
What kind of foods do you like?
I like all kinds of foods.
Really? Can you eat spicy food?
I love spicy food. The hotter, the better.
You are so lucky.
Why am I lucky?
It's terrible when I eat a hot pepper.
You can eat Thai or Mexican food.
Yes, I can, but only if it's really bland.
Do you eat out very often?
Sometimes.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
I do have a favorite vegetarian restaurant.
Are you a vegetarian?
Yes, I am.
Are you a vegetarian for health reasons or religious reasons?
Mostly for health reasons.
All this talk about food has made me hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Would you like to go to my favorite vegetarian restaurant?
What is good there?
Well, of course, the fresh vegetables are outstanding.
Sounds delicious. Let's go.
Unit 9. What do you want to do after you graduate? Do you study?
Yes, I study at the university.
What subject do you study?
I am studying marketing.
Okay. And when will you graduate?
I will graduate next semester.
Will you continue to study for your master's degree?
No, not yet.
What will you do after you graduate?
I'm not sure yet. It depends.
Depends on what?
It depends on what kinds of job offers I get.
What do you mean?
Well, if I get a job that provides opportunity, I will take it.
What other jobs have you applied for?
Oh, I've made many applications to all kinds of companies.
What kinds of companies did you apply to?
Hotels, factories, import companies.
What if you get a job far away from home?
I would rather stay close to my family.
What will you do if you cannot find a job?
If I cannot find a job, I will stay in school and study for a master's degree.
A master's degree in what faculty?
I'm not sure yet. I'll have to think about it.
Unit 10. Planning a trip.
Let's get out of the city this weekend.
That's a good idea. I'm getting sick of being here.
Do you want to go to the beach?
We always go to the beach. Let's do something different.
How about camping?
Camping. That sounds terrific.
All my ideas are terrific.
Do you have a tent?
No, do you?
No, but I can borrow a large one from my friend.
How about a sleeping bag?
Yes, I have a sleeping bag. Do you have one?
No, I don't. I'll buy a new sleeping bag.
Do you think we should go far, far away?
How much time do you have?
I can leave Friday after work.
I can leave Friday too. When do you have to be back?
Well, I have to be back by Sunday.
Okay, we'll be back by Sunday.
What should we do while we're there?
Do you want to go hiking?
Hiking. Okay, but we shouldn't go far from the campground.
If we stay around the campground, will you bring the barbecue?
Of course. What is camping without a barbecue?
Will you make your famous hamburgers?
Sure thing. I'll make hamburgers.
Should we invite some friends?
Great idea. Let's invite all of our friends.
This is going to be fun.
I can't wait.
Unit 11. Hobbies.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have several.
Really? Please, tell me more about your hobbies.
Well, I do like to collect things.
Really? What do you like to collect?
I like to collect stamps.
Really? Where do you collect stamps from?
I collect stamps from all over the world.
Why do you do that?
Because eventually I hope to have a stamp from every country.
Why do you want all of those stamps?
I think it's because I won't be able to go to those countries myself. What about you? What are your hobbies?
Well, I like to read a lot.
Really? What do you read about?
I like to read about bestsellers, and I like to read a lot about science too.
What kind of science do you read about?
A variety of topics, but I especially like to read about nature and about electronics.
Fascinating. Why do you like to read so much?
Well, I think it helps me exercise my brain.
Well, that's a good reason, if it doesn't make you too tired.
The end. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Share your thoughts in the comments.